Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be doing these fall gold leaf nails. So I have her nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And the first color we're going to start off with is Light Elegance's Curry On. This is from their most recent fall collection. If you have not seen swatches of that collection, definitely go check it out. Definitely a staple collection for fall. But this is one of my favorites from the collection. A burnt orange. It's perfect for fall. I've been using it all the time. So I paint this on her pinky, her pointer finger, and her thumb. Next, I'm going in with Curious Sky's Cheeky, which is just a nice nude color, and I'm going to do this on her ring finger and her middle finger. I go ahead and do a second coat of both of the colors. And now I'm going in with the design on the two middle fingers. I take off the tacky layer first, then I go back in with Curry On and I create these orange leaves. Once that is cured, I go back in with Madame Glam's Perfect Black and I do the outlining on the leaves. Once the leaves are fully cured, I go in and put a layer of Madame Glam's top coat, and I'm going to use this to stick down the gold foil. I just have a little jar of this and I just rip it up with some tweezers and apply little pieces onto the nail. It makes it look super delicate, super pretty. Love this stuff. It's a little difficult to work with, but definitely worth it. And I'm going to leave the voiceover in this next clip of me attempting to add glitter to this nail design.
You don't have to add glitter.
Yeah, I didn't like it.
Great. I kind of just like it how it is.
Yeah, I thought I could like scatter it on there, but then I'm like, it feels like it's taking away.
Yeah, I agree. Should we leave it like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or do you want me, I can always do like a little glitter fade on the solid ones.
What do you think?
Let me test one out.
Cool.
Kind of like how I did on your last set?
Yes, I liked how that came out a lot.
I feel like I could go either way on it.
Let's not this time. Let's give these ones a go, you know?
Well, because you still have the sparkle.
Exactly. And I feel like I don't want to take away from those.
It's the focal point.
Yes, it's a focal point. Pretty. Oh, they came out really cute. Good job. Good job, babes.
And so you heard it, we decided we were not going to add glitter to this nail design, so I went ahead and moved on to top coat. I'll be using Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And I do 2 layers of top coat on top of the gold leaf just to seal it in. Normally I would have encapsulated that in, but I forgot, so I just decided to do 2 layers of the top coat to help secure it in. And here's how her nails came out. They are really simple, but they scream fall. Like, it just feels warm and cozy with that burnt orange and the gold and the leaves. Just pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And stay tuned for some more fall nails coming soon. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.